Welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink on Monday.
I'm waiting so patiently.
And today we have Rip It Sugar-Free CitrusX Energy Fuel. Rip It.
That's a really long name.
Kind of is, but anyways, that's what it is. Sugar-Free CitrusX.
Can't wait.
Alright, so that's it. Then going back towards, we got ourselves 5 little baby calories in here. We got 130 milligrams of sodium, 2 carbohydrates, 31 milligrams of potassium, 144 milligrams of vitamin C, 4 milligrams of B6, 20 micrograms of B12, and the caffeine content is 160 milligrams of caffeine in the entire can.
Perfect.
Exactly. Get that popped. Pop. Not push. Alright, a bright yellow color. And definitely smells like tangerine almost.
Good temp too.
Ooh.
Kind of flat.
Wow.
I was expecting a little bit more sparkling.
But I think it's trying to be an orange juice. That's what it's trying to be.
Smooth.
Very smooth.
I think that makes sense.
Ooh, wow.
Not too bad.
Not as much flavor, but definitely going more tangerine than orange. And no sugar. Which, I mean, it tastes pretty good for no sugar. I like it.
Yeah, very tasty. I'm very impressed. Sorry, we're just looking at yards while we're doing
Checking
this.
on stuff. Yep.
So apparently there's going to be less snow today than we thought.
I see that. Yeah. Wow.
That's cool.
So, anyways,
We have plenty of time to try this.
I'd say it would probably be SRT, I think, because I mean it's not bad, but it's not a go and get it every time. So I mean it's worth a try if you're interested in citrus, but it's not one of the best citruses that we've had. It's kind of a little bit on the less flavorful side, but still, and a good amount of bubbles. It's pretty smooth, only 5 calories, and for the taste with no sugar in it is really good. So I like it. So anyways,
I agree. I wonder who came through and cleaned up the edge there.
No idea. But anyways, that's gonna be it for today. We'll see you guys in next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.